The Make in India campaign got a boost on Monday with a day-long review meeting in the national capital, with the government committing to undertake several steps to facilitate ease of doing business. 16 sessions were held as part of a day-long workshop on the Make in India campaign. Addressing the session, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India must go beyond Make in India and develop India as a global brand by producing zero defect and zero environment effect products. Prime Minister said that there should be efforts to move away from government's ABCD culture, that is, avoid, bypass, confuse and delay to road, responsibility, ownership, accountability and discipline.
सरकार का कल्चर एबीसीडी कल्चर होता है और ये ऊपर से नीचे तक होता है। और जब मैं एबीसीडी कहता हूं मतलब अवॉइड, बी बाईपास, सी कंफ्यूज, डी डिले।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi also said that public-private partnership can also be in decision-making and not just in project investments.
Public-private partnership का मॉडल सिर्फ पूंजी और प्रोजेक्ट नहीं होता है। Public-private partnership का मॉडल डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस में भी हो सकता है। एक नया अप्रोच है और उस नए अप्रोच को आज आपने अनुभव किया। इट्स अ गुड बिगिनिंग, लेकिन इससे आपको संकेत मिलता होगा कि किस दिशा में जाया जा सकता है। तो इन ट्रू सेंस पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप का मॉडल मीटिंग ऑफ माइंड से शुरू होता है तो फिर अचीवमेंट इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तक पहुंचता है।
Meanwhile, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said that a number of steps have been taken in past several months to facilitate an investor-friendly climate in the country. However, manufacturing still remains a challenge.
Manufacturing is an area where we have still to grow and grow at a much faster pace. We have examples of economies like China, when they grew at a double-digit GDP growth rate, their manufacturing curve was 13 to 14 to 15 years.
The Make in India campaign was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 25th September, promising the investors, both domestic and overseas, an environment conducive to turn the country into a manufacturing hub. This is a flagship program of the Government of India, and this for the first time that this kind of follow-up meeting is taking place, and the follow-up meeting almost lasted for 8 to 9 hours with almost 16 sessions emphasizing on various sectors like pharmaceuticals, aviation, petrochemicals. There were 25 sectors under the Make in India program which the government is making sure gets the investment. With camera person Jay Shipuri, Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.